Welcome guys. On this video, I'm going to show you if your Facebook account has restriction or any violation or whatsoever. Let's go ahead and do this. So you go to your Facebook account or your Facebook application first, have it open, then you go to the profile area and then click on the three dotted icon next to edit profile and then allow it to load. Now you're going to notice where it says profile status. Now click on profile status. Now from here you can actually see if your account is okay or maybe there is an issue. If there is a violation, you are going to see on this area that particular icon green is going to be red, and there is going to be a different icon right there. I think it's a X icon, like a caution icon. It's going to be in red. And also it is going to write the issue that you have below where it says welcome trust. It's going to write the issues for you. So I do not have any issue whatsoever on this device, on this particular account. And you can notice also my marketplace is still okay. So that, guys, is what I want to share with you. If you have further question, leave it on the comment section. I'm going to see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.